A curious teen spots a rainbow in a glass of water when a single drop of dish soap meets bright sunlight. They line up 3 clear cups, fill them with water, and add red, blue, and yellow dye, creating a tiny at-home science show. Light refracts and separates, turning a simple kitchen into a live lesson about how lenses and diffusion bend and spread color. Safety first as they wash hands and glassware, noting that soap reduces surface tension so colors flow more freely. Inspired, the team plans a weekend science fair featuring shadow hunts and a homemade rain gauge to log discoveries.